問題 A。
The empty shells of the crusty nautilus wash up on the shore in Papua New Guinea from time to time, but no one has seen the animals alive since the 1980s. The deep-water creature gets its name because of a crust that forms on its shell. As a marine biologist working in the Pacific for environmental preservation, I have wondered for years if this species is even still living here. Early one morning in July 2015, I set out to find the answer, embarking on a journey to the waters of Papua New Guinea in search of this rare species. My partners on this scientific expedition hope that we will be the first to get video footage of the species. Our journey has taken on a sense of urgency because Papua New Guinea has moved rapidly in recent years to expand deep-sea mining. Documenting what exists in some of these deep-water ecosystems before they are altered by industry may be the key to their protection. From Brisbane, we fly to Port Moresby, the capital of Papua New Guinea, then on to an island called Manus. We sail several hours south to a smaller island where a live crusty nautilus was last seen in 1984. As we arrive on the beach, we are greeted by the island's chief and the director of a network of tribal communities that has recently declared their sea a protected area. Eager to get started that night, we climb onto an engine-powered banana boat, steer out to deep water, and lower 2 traps. Buoys mark the traps' locations at the water's surface. The next morning, we head back to sea. The first trap had drifted in strong currents during the night and is now in water well over 300 meters deep. Members of our team pull it up, but the cage is empty. We move quickly to the second trap. It too is empty. Our entire team is visibly disappointed. We gather together after lunch and plan a new approach. A few elder fishermen who remember the 1984 expedition recall that their team found specimens in slightly shallower waters. We decide to take their advice. We go out once again, lower the traps in shallower waters, and wait out the night back at the island. The following morning, the team slowly raises the first trap. When the cage comes into view, I am unable to wait any longer and dive down to inspect it. I can hardly control my excitement when I count 3 crusty nautiluses inside. I swim up to the surface as fast as I can and shout the news to everyone waiting on the boat. We put on our diving equipment, I grab my camera, and soon we are filming crusty nautiluses underwater around a coral reef. Later that day, we attach tiny tags to the shells of the nautiluses so that we can track their movements and learn more about the depth and temperature ranges that they prefer. We had done it. Our team of scientists, conservationalists, fisheries staff, and community members had found and filmed a crusty nautilus for the first time, and we were now learning previously unknown information about this rare marine species.